Hello friends, welcome back. In this video I am going to tell you if you forgot your iPhone passcode, so how we can fix this problem and unlock your iPhone device without any computer, without any third-party application software at home within minutes. So let's start the video without wasting time. I'm Imran and you are watching my channel Bukhari Tech. If you are new on my channel, please subscribe first and press bell icon for more updates. So let's start. Firstly, try any passcode on your iPhone. So you can see here passcode is not accepted. So you can see here emergency section in the corner of your iPhone device. So tap on emergency. So tap a secret pin code 1 star hash 8042 star 787872 star 4006178 star 800218072 star 786. Tap on dialer. So you can see here now our secret pin code is added in your iPhone device. Now tap second pin code star 80071250777 star 8990 star 542 and 0 star 9662180 star 5200 and 71. Then tap on star and hash. Then when you type your second pin code on your iPhone device, then tap on dialer and hold it 5 to 10 seconds. Wait few seconds. So friends, you can see here our iPhone is unlocked without any computer, without any third-party application software. So I hope you know how to unlock your iPhone without any computer, without any third-party application software at home within a minute. So if the video is helpful for you, please subscribe my YouTube channel and press bell icon for more updates, and also comment it on my video. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.